How well does Clorox Scentiva remove bacteria from my home? I tested it, let's find out. I've had dozens of viewers ask me to test Clorox Scentiva, so I went to my local Target and I bought some. In order to test how well Clorox Scentiva removes bacteria from my home, what I'm going to do is take a Petri dish just like this guy here and label it A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab various areas around my home, such as my kitchen sink drain, bathroom sink, and toilet rim. I'm going to place those samples in the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to clean the surfaces according to the Clorox Scentiva directions. The directions for use, it says to deodorize and sanitize non-food contact surfaces. So that's what we're looking for, sanitizing, removing bacteria. Treated surfaces must remain visibly wet for 30 seconds before wiping. So spray, let it remain wet for 30 seconds, then wipe dry. Swab the area again and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. C is just a contamination control. So this way we'll be able to see how much bacteria is on a surface before and after cleaning with Clorox Scentiva. Now let's read a little bit about this product. Now at first glance I said to myself, Clorox Scentiva, oh look at this, it has a picture of a grapefruit on it, it's grapefruit and orange blossom scent. I thought this was going to be a natural product. After I brought it home and I looked a little closer, I read the active ingredients here. And the active ingredients are the same active ingredients in 409. So it's just a quat with, I think, some nice scents. But we'll see how well it removes bacteria soon. It does say right on the top, kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It does have directions for disinfecting. That usually includes viruses. I can't test for viruses, so I usually do the sanitization. For that, the surface has to remain wet for 10 minutes before wiping. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to just remove bacteria, should be 30 seconds. If you're looking at it to remove viruses, we're looking at a 10-minute sit time. Now, if after I do the 30-second test, it doesn't remove a lot of bacteria, I'll go ahead and give it the 10-minute test just to see. But I think after reading that quad active ingredient, that I think 30 seconds is probably going to be just fine. So let's see how well Clorox Scentiva removes bacteria around my home. Now for some results. The kitchen sink. In the before section we have a lot of bacteria, and in the after section almost all is removed except about 6 small bacterial colonies. The kitchen sink drain. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section there's no bacterial growth at all. The bathroom sink. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section there's no bacterial growth at all. The toilet rim. In the before section we can see a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section there's no bacterial growth at all. So the Scentiva did a great job at removing bacteria around my home, which I kind of expected because it has the same active ingredients as 409. And I've done 409 testing and that did a great job as well. It also did a really good job just removing dirt and grime around my home. I was really impressed with the sink. Actually had like a little ring of like dirt around my bathroom sink drain, and it cleaned it up really easily, just the spray and just wiping it. So it did a really good job cleaning around my home. As for the scent, now this smells way nicer than 409 smells. This was grapefruit and orange blossom scent. Now it definitely still smells like a cleaner, but it has a really nice grapefruit or citrusy type scent to it. It wasn't that bad. I was expecting something a lot more choking or a lot more chemical type smell, but it was surprising to me that it didn't smell that bad. I really like the scent of grapefruit for cleaners. I think I tried a Method, I think it was, product that had a grapefruit scent that it was really like almost delicious smelling. So it's not quite as delicious smelling as that, but it definitely is better than a regular chemical scent 409. The scent does not linger. Once I sprayed and wiped, I didn't smell it afterwards. Of course, my tests do have some limitations. I don't test for viruses at all. This was just to test regular old household bacteria that's just in my home, so we're not talking about pathogenic bacteria or even viruses. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor, put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.